Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix webcam not working on Windows 11. So we are going to do 3 simple steps, and for most of us, this will fix the problem. So the very first step here is to just do a right click in the start icon and go to settings. And at the left hand side, we will go to privacy and security, which is the second last option. We will click on that. And then we will scroll down, and under app permission, we will go to camera, and we need to check whether camera access is turned on or not. So please make sure camera is turned on, and the app through which you are using the camera should have the camera access. So just check one by one, and then once you're ensured, once you checked it, also check the connected cameras. So once you have checked that everything is fine, then we will go to Device Manager for the driver update. Alright, so I'll close it, I'll do a right click, and I'll go to Device Manager. Now, whether you're using external webcam or the built-in cam, you will find the cameras if it is plugged in. So I have found it, the cameras right there. You just need to do a right click, click on Update Driver, and select Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, go with Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now, please keep in mind, this process will take time. It might take 5 to 10 minutes sometimes. And you don't have to click anywhere, otherwise you will find not responding sort of things. So once you click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update, just leave the computer for a few minutes and let it update. Alright. And even if you still have issues and earlier it was working fine and now it is not, then you just need to click on Update Driver and select Browse My Computer for Drivers, and then go to Let me pick from a list of available drivers. See the drivers. So if you have previously working driver, you can simply select that, click on Next, and if you have 2-3 drivers, you can simply try one by one and see which works for you. Alright, and there could be a reason that your webcam is not working due to corruption, the operating system corruption. So to fix that, we will run a SFC scan, click on the search icon, type CMD, and please make sure you select Run as Administrator, and then say yes. So once you select Run as Administrator, you will find Administrator command prompt. And here we need to type a command, SFC space /scan now. So this will repair your computer. So if there is any corruption, any bug, or any problem, it will repair your PC, and you just need to hit enter, and it will start scanning your computer. So I have typed it incorrectly. Please make sure you type scan now. No, like this, and hit enter. So it will say begin the system scan, and this also might take 2 to 3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. Once it is done, restart the computer, and do let me know in the comment section whether these steps has fixed your webcam problem or not on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.